Hi everybody, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today let's see how to make restaurant style tomato chutney. This chutney goes very well with idli, dosa, adai, pongal. Why? With just about everything. Rice, chapatis, bread. This is just simply yummy. Now let's have a look at the ingredients needed. 400 grams or 6 small tomatoes, 50 grams or 1 small onion, 25 grams or 8 large flakes of garlic, 25 grams or about 12 pieces cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons or 20 grams tamarind, 1 tablespoon jaggery. Jaggery is optional. If you want, you can add. Salt to taste. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. We used Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives nice color but is less spicy. 1/4 cup sesame seed oil. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Urad dal or Bengal gram 1 teaspoon. This is added in the tempering. This gives a nice crunchy taste to the chutney. Red chili, 1 red chili broken or 3 grams. Hing powder or asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon. Curry leaves, make sure to tear the curry leaves before adding them in, half tablespoon. Hey, now let's see how to make this restaurant style tomato chutney for idli, dosa and just about anything. Here we go. Peel the tomatoes. Peeling is optional. If you want, you can peel them. We like it peeled, so we peel them. Now let's take tomatoes, onions, garlic, tamarind and cashew nuts in a plate. These will be going into the hot oil first. So we have segregated them from the rest of the ingredients. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add onions. Now add garlic, tamarind, cashew nuts, tomatoes, mix well and give it a good stir. Stir for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring. Add some salt. Add red chili powder. Add the jaggery and mix well. Wow, that smells so good. Add a little water. We added about 3 tablespoons. Stir for a minute. Now let's close it. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes on a low flame. Now after 5 minutes, open the lid and switch off the flame. The tomatoes have become soft. After cooling it down, we are transferring the mixture to a jar. Now the chutney is ready, but for the tempering. Now let's heat oil in a pan for tempering. Add some mustard seeds. When they crackle, add the urad dal. Add in the red chilies. Some hing or asafoetida. curry leaves, switch off the flame and add this tempering to the ground chutney paste. Now this chutney is ready to be served. As I said, we can serve it with idli or dosa or just about anything. But today we are going to serve this with some dosa. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment and of course share. Bye. Thanks for
Do not
watching.
forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.